Hey kids! Did you know you can make Minecraft mobs of your favorite characters? Like those from the exciting book series Cat Ninja from Epic Originals. A Minecraft mob is a non-player character, or NPC, that moves around in the game world. Mobs can take many forms, including animals, monsters, villagers, or anything else you can think of. And the best part? You can create your own custom Minecraft mobs using tools like Tynker. Today's tutorial will show you how to make a Minecraft mob of the infamous international jewel thief, le chat Noir, from Cat Ninja. Let's get started. The first thing to do is make sure we're on the Tynker homepage. Click on the box that reads New Project. You should be on the block coding page. Now, select Minecraft from the list on the left. We're going to choose Create Mob. You will see a lot of mobs. Scroll over to the right and choose NPC. Click on Start Project, and we're ready to begin. Start by moving the nose out of the way. Don't delete it, we can use it later. Next, switch to the Resize tool and make the head smaller. Make the arms slimmer and longer too. While we do that, let's hear a little more about Le Chat. This French feline is a jewel thief, and she's very good at her job. It doesn't matter how many guards, lasers, or even superheroes stand between her and a shiny bauble. Le Chat will steal it. She's one of the only villains who can even give Cat Ninja the slip. Back to the mob. You can't be a cat burglar without cat ears. Make a copy of that nose block we put away to the side and stick both blocks on top of her head. Ta-da! Now for the tail. Copy her body. Resize this block into a tail shape and attach it behind her. Finally, let's make her iconic goggles. Use the copy tool to duplicate one of her ears and resize it into this shape. Position it on her forehead. Use the copy tool to make the other half. We're done! All that's left is to paint her. Switch to the pencil tool and draw in her pink fur. Make sure you color every side. Use the visibility panel on the bottom right corner to hide blocks that are in your way. While we work on Le Chat's face and costume, let's talk about her sense of style. Le Chat loves shiny baubles. Her usual black costume has a large diamond studded in the chest. Even when she's not geared up to steal, she's accessorized from head to tail with jewelry. Literally. We'll use 2 different shades of blue to color the lenses of her goggles. Remember to get the sides too. Now, use black to draw the frame. Almost done. Use black lines to add more details to her costume. Don't forget her gloves and shoes. Le Chat is very careful not to leave behind any paw prints. Despite being a villain, Le Chat and Cat Ninja get along surprisingly well. She even helps him out occasionally, although it's usually just because she's bored. Le Chat isn't the cold-hearted criminal most people think she is. She loves her human, Darcy, even more than shiny baubles. Now for some finishing touches. Her arms look a little flat. Let's use different shades of pink to give them a sense of depth. Let's give her ears some detail too. And done! Now you can hang out with Le Chat Noir in Minecraft. Just don't forget to keep an eye on your diamonds. Hope you had fun following along. Meet Le Chat and other exciting Epic characters and read all about their fun adventures, only on Epic.